2020 was a disaster, and here comes 2021 with second wave of corona and a sudden rise of new kinds of fungus in post-corona affected people in most cases. Amid COVID-19 pandemic, India reports over 11,700 black fungus across the country state, among which the maximum cases being reported in Gujarat. Union Minister Sadananda Gowda shared the list of mycorrhizaceous cases in India, adding that the center has distributed 29250 vials of amphotericin B drug to states and union territories to cure the infection. In case you're wondering why black fungus mucormycosis has been declared an epidemic, all you need to know about the post-COVID disease. The allocation has been made based on the number of patients under treatment, which is almost around 11,700 across the country. Gowda said while sharing a list of black fungus patients in India at a time when India has been reeling under the impact of second wave COVID-19 pandemic, which is commonly known as black fungus, has become a cause of worry for people across the country. Here you can see the full list states and union territories that have reported black fungus cases in India so far. List above, the data is shared by Union Minister Sadananda Gowda on May 25. With the rising number of black fungus cases across the country, the Union Health Ministry last week declared mucormycosis an epidemic under the Epidemic Diseases Act. This means all cases confirmed and suspected of mucormycosis will be reported to the Health Ministry. Black fungus can lead to loss of vision. Now here we can see some symptoms and its causes, and we can see here some treatment as well. In recent times, a new challenge in the form of a fungal infection, namely mucormycosis, has emerged and is reported from many states among COVID-19 patients, especially those on steroid therapy and deranged sugar control, said Health Ministry Secretary Lavrov Agarwal in a letter to all states and UTS. This fungal infection is leading to prolonged morbidity and mortality among COVID-19 patients. All government and private health facilities and medical colleges have to follow guidelines for screening, the diagnosis, management of mucormycosis. He added, the fungus can affect the eyes and eventually the brain, leading to a fatal situation. Taking care of your mouth, brushing twice a day and taking oral cleanups can help in the long run.